consistent. So today, I'll walk you through 3 powerful side hustles you can start with zero upfront cost and stay until the end, because number 3 might completely change the way you think about making money. And remember this, it's not about starting perfect, it's about starting small. The most successful people you see online started with little to no resources. What separated them was action. Let's jump in. Freelancing. Online freelancing is one of the fastest growing side hustles in the world right now. Businesses, big and small, are constantly outsourcing tasks. If you can write, edit videos, design graphics, build websites, or even handle simple things like typing documents or organizing spreadsheets, there's work for you. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you create a free profile and list your services. The best part? You don't need years of experience, just skills you can demonstrate. Example, if you know basic Canva design, you can create social media posts for small businesses that don't have the time or skill. Some freelancers charge $20 to $50 per post, and those numbers add up quickly. Don't have skills yet? No problem. YouTube, Coursera, and Skillshare have free tutorials on everything from copywriting to video editing. Within a week or 2 of consistent learning, you can already offer beginner-friendly services. The key to freelancing is simple. Start with what you know, then upgrade as you grow. Now, this one is exciting because it gives you a chance to create passive income. Here's how print-on-demand works. Websites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Merch by Amazon allow you to upload a design. When someone buys a t-shirt, hoodie, or mug with your design, the company prints, ships, and handles everything. You just collect a profit without ever touching inventory. And don't worry if you're not a designer. Free AI tools like Canva, Kittle, or even ChatGPT, paired with DALL-E, can help you create simple but eye-catching designs. Sometimes, even funny text quotes sell better than complicated graphics. Another option is digital products. This is huge because you create it once and sell it forever. Examples, ebooks or guides, like 30-day fitness challenge, budget planners or resume templates, printable wall art Notion templates. People are buying these every day on Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. What makes digital products powerful is that you're building assets. Imagine making something once and waking up to sales while you sleep. That's where freedom begins. Service-based hustles, offline goldmine. Now let's talk about the most underrated one. Service-based hustles. These are real-world services that require zero investment but can pay you instantly. Think about babysitting, dog walking, tutoring, house cleaning, grocery delivery, or even tech help for people who aren't comfortable with computers. Here's why this is so powerful. You can start today. Just let friends, family, or neighbors know. You get paid fast, often the same day. Demand is endless. Everyone needs help with something. For example, tutoring just one subject you're good at, like math or English, could earn you $10 to $20 an hour. Babysitting or dog walking can bring in the same or more. And once you build regular clients, you can raise your rates and turn it into a stable income stream. In fact, many people who started mowing lawns or babysitting ended up growing full businesses with employees. That's the potential here. Final thoughts. So there you have it, 3 side hustles you can start today with zero money. Freelancing, use your skills online. Print on demand and digital products, build passive income streams. Service-based hustles, fast cash and loyal clients. The hardest part isn't finding the hustle, it's taking the first step. Most people watch videos like this, nod their head, and do nothing. Don't be that person. Pick one hustle, commit to it for 30 days, and I guarantee you'll see your income grow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who's looking to make extra money in 2025. Because remember, you don't need money to start, you just need to start.